Welcome to my channel, my name is Little Boy and today I'm gonna share with you how to install new transitions on your Final Cut Pro. After years on YouTube watching long Final Cut Pro tutorials, I wish that someone had made a channel like this so I could learn from quality content that was straight to the point. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and watch this video until the end so you can learn as much as you can. My goal is to give you the tools to bring your editing skills to the next level. I know how time consuming it is to create and make cool or dynamic transitions for your videos. And most of the time I prefer to do just like a rough cut for my projects. But sometimes it's so nice and easy to have a nice transition where I can just drag and drop on top of my videos. So today I'm gonna be sharing with you some transitions that I've been testing out for the last few months to give you my honest opinion. Thank you Fantasma for sending me the Cinepunch bundle for me to try. Make sure to watch this video to the end because I'm gonna be doing 3 giveaways of the Cinepunch bundle and one could be you. Let's jump on Final Cut Pro so I can show you how to install these new transitions or any other ones if you decide to purchase one day. We're gonna go and download. In my case, I'm gonna open the Cinepunch Final Cut Pro X file. And the only folder that we're gonna use is this purple one. Cinepunch Transitions, Effects and Generators. You're gonna be able to see here, we're gonna work on this green one called Transitions, and you see Transition Punch. You're gonna go to search, Motion Templates, and you open the transition folder, and the only thing that you need to do is drag the folder inside of your transitions folders. It's very simple, it's super easy, that's pretty much it. Now we're gonna open Final Cut Pro, gonna go to the Transitions tab, and you will see Transition Punch 5.0. As you can see here, there is 300 of them. There is so many options, and if you pass the mouse here, you are able to see real time and you can test it out. You can use for your travel videos, fashion videos. I even used those transitions in a national music video here in Brazil, and it was very simple. I just drag and drop and gave the background a lot of energy and a lot of the style and the look that I was going for. YouTube videos. Up is gonna be the size. 1080 the size is pretty nice. Let me show you how my title sequence look with these transitions. I didn't use just the transitions, I used some assets that is included on this package as well. You'll be able to see in the next videos. Let me know what you think in the comment down below, and it's the moment that we all have been waiting for. Thank you very much for watching this video until the end, and now, as I said, it's giveaway time. It's very easy, all that you need to do is subscribe to this channel, leave a comment down below, and tell me, why do you think that you deserve to win a Cinepunch bundle with more than 1,000 assets? Seriously, it's like crazy. I didn't even have time to go over all of these things. It's definitely more than you're ever gonna need for your whole filmmaking career. Let me know in the comment down below, and good luck. Thank you very much, Fantasma, for sending me all these assets to try it out. I hope that you guys enjoyed these tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.